Hello, welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On, and today we're going to make Stromboli. Today, outside of our house, it is snowing. But let's warm up with a recipe for Stromboli. You can use frozen pizza or bread dough for this recipe. Let it thaw completely before baking. Okay, we need to sprinkle the work area with flour. Take a little handful of flour and sprinkle it over the area. First, the dough. Now to spread the dough into a 12 by 18 inch rectangle. First with the hands. Now with the rolling pin. Now for the second dough. Now that the dough is ready, let's move on to the next step. Okay, now that the dough is ready, we put on the meat. You can put anything in the Stromboli, but we use whatever lunch meat is available. This is a half pound of ham that we are putting on. Okay, now we put on half a pound of turkey. Now for the cheese. We use shredded cheddar for the cheese. Now for some grated parmesan cheese. Now the last cheese to go on is fresh mozzarella. Now for a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Okay, now a teaspoon of oregano. Now for 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. Now for the pepper. We're using both black and rainbow peppercorns, but you don't need to use both if you don't want to. Now to seal up the Stromboli. Now the other one. Now we have the baking pan. We're going to line it up with parchment paper. Now with a sharp knife, you slash each one 4 times. Now put it in a 370-degree oven for 30 minutes. Now to let the Stromboli rest for 5 minutes. Now, since 5 minutes have passed, we can cut the Stromboli and eat the goodness. Although it's not required, we like to serve our Stromboli with heated up pasta sauce.
Okay. Is it good?
Yep. Here for the dough. Can we do that again? This could get a little messy, so I put my apron on. Sprinkle of hair in the dew. Now we shall repeat with the second dough. Dough, 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 dough. Now put in a 370-degree oven for 30 minutes. Love those special effects. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a nice day.